Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing tools and confirming the tray location. Grab the SIM ejector or a 0.5 mm paperclip and power the device off. Why power down? It prevents short interruptions to the modem and avoids accidental data writes. Once powered off, inspect the phone edge for the tiny pinhole that marks the tray. On many Pixel models, it sits on a side edge. Make sure you have steady light and a firm surface. This keeps the phone stable while you begin. You now eject the tray. Align the ejector perpendicular to the pinhole and press with a controlled motion until the tray springs out slightly. Why perpendicular? It prevents bending the ejector or damaging the mechanism. Carefully use fingers or tweezers to pull the tray out level. Do not twist. Inspect the tray. It holds a nano SIM size slot and sometimes an empty space for a second SIM. Remember which side faced the phone, because orientation matters. You finish by seating the SIM and returning the tray. Match the nano SIM's cut corner to the tray notch and place the gold contacts facing away from you toward the phone. Slide the tray back and straight until it sits flush. Forcing it risks damage. Power the Pixel on, then check the status bar for carrier signal. If you see no service, make sure the SIM is seated correctly. Try the SIM in another phone, or reboot. The most common fixes for detection issues. Contact carrier only if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.